Okay, play. What's your name again? Huh?
Initiation naman, initiation.
Okay. Marvin, I got a question for you, man.
Are you a virgin? Are you a virgin?
Hey, are you circumcised? Huh?
Do you have 9 inches bingo?
What about you? Hey,
Tommy,
What
do you
about
have
you,
9
Tommy?
inches bingo?
Just for nothing, man.
what about you, man? Are you
Like sausage. 9 inches pero
are you circumcised, baby?
Pero Tommy, yung chicks mo kanina. Oh, Tommy, yung tinawagan mo kanina ng chicks. Order this.
Who wanna Imo?
Baby Mark. Say hi, baby.
Oh, yeah.
No?
Just one order.
Limited vocabulary.
Okay, and jumbo shrimp. Who wants jumbo shrimp? Jumbo shrimp, okay.
Just one shrimp?
How jumbo is that? It's good food.
What?
9 people.
Maybe it's only one shrimp. He said jumbo shrimp.
Jumbo is only one shrimp.
Only one shrimp, but just three people.
Chris, what can you say, man?
Holiday.
Happy holiday.
What can you say about Ajax? Mabula.
Tami, tami. Okay, Tami, what's your Chinese? Meow.
Hindi naman pusa yung babae kanina.
Tommy,
Tao Ching, you know? Tao Ching.
Tommy.
Meow. Tao Ching. Meow. Tao Ching.
man. Crouching tiger.
Pero si Jen, man. Si Jen.
Hey, what happened to Jen, man?
Jen.
What
Yeah.
what's up with Jen?
Jen. Ano sabi? Gusto si Diego?
man?
Housemate.
Ano sinabi ni Jen? Gusto si Diego.
Diego, ito pala. No, man.
Okay.
Day off daw ngayon eh, Sunday. Diba yung mga med sa atin, pag
Okay.
Sunday, day off.
Gusto, balik siya,
Oh,
That's our order. Hot sauce.
Yeah. Gusto mo ba?
Okay.
Para, man.
Marvin, lean back. Lean back. Lean back.
Sa Tagalog, umalis ka dyan.
Umalis ka.
Hindi makita yung babae
Kung sa Tagalog, umalis ka. See? Right.
Sinabing lean back.